In this tutorial, you will get a brief explanation of the entire process of creating beautiful animation videos using VideoFork.co. Before I start with this tutorial, I'll let you know what VideoFork.co is all about. VideoFork.co is an online tool to easily create explainer animation videos for your business and marketing campaigns. So without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to your account page where you can see the list of projects that you've created and your export requests. Right now, I don't have any projects, so let me go ahead and create one by clicking the Create Project button. Once you click the button, you'll have a pop-up with a list of pre-made templates. I'm going to choose the blank template for this tutorial. Once your editor window is open, you can go about adding your image or text by clicking the Browse Files button. Now I'm adding a text. Once you inserted your text to the canvas, you can drag it around to position it properly within the canvas. Once you position your text in the canvas, you can edit when it should enter and exit your animation by dragging and resizing the timeline control below. VideoFork animations work by deciding when and how your element should enter and exit your canvas. To edit your entrance animation settings, click on the white circle in the beginning of your timeline control. A pop-up form will open. Here, you can choose the type of animation the element has when entering the scene. The second input is the duration of the animation in seconds. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you can apply the animation by clicking the tick button. The same steps go for exit animation. You can add additional animation to your element by clicking the button in the center of your timeline control. Hover over each box to preview the animation your element will have. Once you've decided, click on the box and click Apply. Additional animation starts playing once the entrance animation is finished, and it plays until the exit animation starts. You can change the duration of your animation by editing the total time at top right corner of your editor. You can add background music to your video. Click this box over here and a pop-up will open with 3 tabs. You have 2 options to choose background music for your project. You can upload your own music or you can browse through the free musics for your video. In the third tab, you can find your previously uploaded music files. The same method goes for voice recordings. You don't have any free pre-recorded voiceovers here, but you can always choose from your local desktop or your previously uploaded voice recordings. To save your project, just click the Save button. After you finished your animations and saved your project, you can go about exporting it as video or GIF. To export, hover your mouse over the Export button. You will have 2 drop-down items. I will export as MP4 now. Once you click the button, an export request is created. Once the request is successful, you can go to your accounts page to see your export requests and check the status. And that's a wrap. For more tutorials and to create animated videos, visit VideoFork.co.